Welcome to Numerology 2024 Personal Year Predictions. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of numerology and its influence on your life in the upcoming year, 2024. This year holds a special significance as it is considered a universal year 8 in numerology. But what does the universal year 8 mean, and how will it affect you personally? In this video, we will break down the meaning of this number in numerology and guide you through predicting what lies ahead for you in 2024 based on your personal numerology. Whether you're new to numerology or a seasoned enthusiast, this video will provide insights and predictions that can help you navigate the year 2024 with confidence and purpose. So, let's dive into the world of numbers and discover what the year 2024 has in store for you. In numerology, each year is associated with a specific universal number that carries its own unique energy and influence. For the year 2024, that number is 8. But what does the universal year 8 signify, and how might it impact our lives? The number 8 is often referred to as the number of abundance, power, and achievement. It carries a strong energy of manifestation and materialization. Here are some key aspects of the universal year 8. In a universal year 8, there's a potential for increased financial opportunities and prosperity. It's a time when hard work and smart financial decisions can yield significant rewards. The number 8 is associated with leadership qualities and the ability to take charge of situations. It encourages us to step into positions of authority and take control of our lives. The concept of karma is closely tied to the number 8. It reminds us that our actions have consequences, both positive and negative. This is a year to focus on creating positive karma through ethical choices and balanced living. The energy of 8 fuels our ambition and drive to achieve our goals. It's a time when we're encouraged to set ambitious targets and work diligently to attain them. While year 8 brings opportunities, it also presents challenges and responsibilities. It's important to manage our resources wisely and avoid overextending ourselves. Many of us are naturally curious about what the future holds. Will it be a year of luck, abundance, and positive change? Numerology is based on the belief that each year carries its unique vibrational energy, which can influence events and outcomes in our lives. This energy is often associated with specific numbers, and in the case of 2024, it's the number 8 that takes center stage as the universal year number. As discussed in our earlier section on the significance of the number 8, this numeral is strongly linked to themes of abundance, prosperity, and achievement. Its influence can indeed be interpreted as a sign of good fortune. The balanced and cyclical nature of 8 suggests that this year may bring opportunities for financial growth, personal success, and the fulfillment of long-held aspirations. Picture the number 8 in your mind's eye. It's a symmetrical infinity loop, an unbroken dance of energies that promise abundance, prosperity, and good fortune. The question is, can we step onto the dance floor of 2024 and waltz our way into Lady Luck's embrace? To find out your personal number for 2024, you need to perform a simple calculation. Add the month and the day of your birth to the 2024 universal year. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 8. 8 is the universal year for all of 2024. Now go to the month and day of your birth. I'm using October 27th, 10/27 as an example. The month is 10. 1 plus 0 equals 1. The day is 27. 2 plus 7 equals 9. The universal year is 8. Add the reduced totals together. Remember to add all your double digits together until you are left with a single number from 1 to 9. Unless you reach the master numbers 11, 22, or 33, which are significant on their own. As a result, 1 plus 9 plus 8 equals 18. And 1 plus 8 equals 9. Thus, 9 is your personal year number for 2024. However, if at any point your calculations result in 11, 22, or 33, you do not reduce these numbers further, as they hold special significance in numerology as master numbers, representing higher spiritual consciousness and greater challenges. If your personal year number is 1, 2024 will allow you to do just what it implies. You may start new projects and work on making a great deal of progress on anything you choose to do. Some of the things that are begun this year may possibly last the entire cycle of 9. Since the 1 stands alone, you will be the instigator of these new ventures, and you will also be the one making things happen. There should be little outside interference in your endeavors. You can expect many new things to come into your life. In some cases, the change can be so dramatic that you change your residence or your profession. This is a year with great possibility, and the year that your chance for fulfillment will come. You can finally do more of what you want to do. The key word is leadership. If your personal year number is 2, then 2024 demands cooperation. Unlike the number 1 personal year when you flew more or less solo, this year is for looking at the ideas of your associates. Just as it was all about you in your number 1 personal year, the 2 personal year is about allowing others to help you. This vibration is good for forming new friendships, romantic or otherwise. You will experience many highs and lows in 2024, making your life far from dull. The key word for this year is peacekeeping. As per numerology predictions for 2024, if your personal year number is 3, 2024 is a time when social communication is key. Some of the attachments that began 2 years ago will come to light again. You will have another chance to put your plans to work. On the emotional front, you may have to deal with matters of the heart that weren't resolved 4 years ago. These things don't go away. Sometimes, we compartmentalize issues that we can't bear to confront. It is like putting things in storage. They are still ours, and we pay for the space, and it is our duty to take them out when we have more time and freedom to address them. You are stronger in spirit now, and you will recognize this as the year progresses. This is an excellent year to expect success in all things creative. You will be much happier in 2024. The key word this year is diplomacy. If your personal year number is 4, then 2024 will be a time in which you are setting foundations in all aspects of your life. Disconnecting yourself from petty anxieties will only hinder your progress, so lose them and focus on your overall plan for the rest of your life. There is work to be done, and you are the one who will do it, so roll up your sleeves and get busy. The year can be hard for those who procrastinate. You must guard your health during this time period. Do not ignore the symptoms of the disease. You must be proactive where health is concerned. Eat right, exercise and get rest. Your body is like your automobile. You have to use the right fuel and keep up the maintenance for it to operate properly. The key word for the year is work. If your personal year number is 5, change and freedom are the keywords for the year 2024. Your surroundings are likely to change. You may either move or at the very least, make a change to the place you are in. Take a look back at the projects that you started in the last few years. If they are not moving right along, it could be because you gambled on a relationship can be an issue. Be very careful not to involve yourself in an affair that you wouldn't want the world to see. Sudden happenings should be expected. Do not be afraid of a commitment in October. This year will be like a roller coaster with many changes in direction throughout. Commitments are made or broken in this your number 6 personal year. Corrections of a positive kind can be made in business, romance, and family relationships. This could mean a marriage or divorce, literally or in a broad sense of the word. You are held accountable for your deeds, especially in May. Responsibility to family and the obligation to serve humanity is paramount. Thousands of our young men and women will be asked to serve our country. Duty calls and everyone must do his part. The key word for this year is responsibility. If your personal year number is 7, in 2024, you will be asked to put your patience to the test. It is a time in which you will ponder things that have happened in the past 6 years. A time to change the things you can change without worrying too much about the things you can't. You must discover the secret to being alone without being lonely. This is not a year that is particularly good for material gains. It is a year for going inside yourself for spiritual understanding. Have faith that you are where you need to be. If your personal year number is 8, 2024 will be a year for business and financial dealings. It could be a big money year. Although chances abound for business dealings and success in these ventures, be aware that much money may go out also. This is your year for harvest, and you will reap what you have sown for the past 7 years. Be alert for opportunities that can bring prosperity throughout the year. This can be a good period for buying and selling anything, including real estate. Don't hesitate to seek the counsel of an expert before making a final decision. Family matters may need your attention. Help them by pointing out ways for them to help themselves. If your personal year number is 9, 2024 is the closing year of your 9-year cycle. You will prepare for next year's new beginnings by ridding yourself of anything, person or situation that is no longer needed in your life. Many situations and relationships are no longer comfortable for you. They have outlived their usefulness to you. Try not to hold on to someone or something that needs its freedom. Do your best to be understanding and tolerant. It is very important to tie up loose ends and finish any project you may be putting off. It is extremely necessary to address any unresolved issues in relationships because these things will come back unless you put closure on them. Teach compassion by your example. The key phrase for the year is service to humanity. If your personal year number is 11, 2024 will be quite unlike last year. Where you were single-minded and took the initiative last year, your keywords for the second year of your personal 9-year cycle are cooperation and diplomacy. You must be willing to sacrifice much of your time to attend to business matters. This will ensure your chances of getting your fair and proper share of the benefits. You must also be flexible in your personal dealings. Forcing issues will not work for you. So save your strength. January is a month for expression for you. You will be given the opportunity to communicate with others about your beliefs and anything else that matters to you. February is a time to build a firm foundation for the remainder of the year. A little hard work may be involved, but I suggest you take it on with a good attitude. March brings changes and surprises. Don't try to guess because you probably won't realize what's happened until it is history. In April, family matters will likely be at the forefront. Being patient in May and June will bring material rewards. July and August are months of transition, and September spotlights getting along with others. The last 3 months of 2024 call for communication, hard work and change, in that order. Others have told you what to do and when to do it long enough. The year 2001 belongs to you. Obligations are still there and must be attended to, but taking care of yourself will be your principal concern. If your personal year is 22, in 2024, try not to let the way other people view life dull the color of your world. You should consider all the free advice from good-intentioned friends and family, but ultimately, you must listen to your inner voice. This is an extremely inspirational and creative period for you, a time when your dreams can very well come true. January will present a bit of a struggle for you in some areas, but by February, you will see why things happened the way they did. March is a month for taking care of family and those who are like family to you. Relationships of all kinds are highlighted. Find some time to be alone to explore the mysteries of life in April. In May, there is the probability that you will have extra money, but in all likelihood, an unexpected expense will present itself. June and July are months of completion along and the idea of a new endeavor. August and September can bring illumination and new inspiration if you are open and receptive. The last 3 months of 2024 call for practicality, mobility and relationship issues. You are entering into a period where change is necessary for you to progress. There will be new experiences, friends and associates, maybe even a new job. The opportunities are there for you if you have your eyes and ears open. If your personal year number is 33, in 2024, there will be travel opportunities, adding to your sense of adventure and excitement. Take advantage of this newfound freedom to improve your life in new ways. This does not mean that you dismantle what you have already accomplished. It just means adding more passion to your endeavors with a new mental attitude. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know if this video resonates with you.